Hello, myself Gayatri Vasudev Vani. Today's date is 8th of November 2022 and today's topic is Java 8 feature. So here in this topic we are going to discuss about the features of Java 8 version. Actually, what happened in this, what function that Java 8 provides us, that we will discuss here forwardly. So the Oracle released the new version of Java 8 in March 18, 2014. It was a revolutionary release of the Java for software development platform. It includes various upgrades to the Java programming like JVM tools and libraries. It contains the JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine. Then this Java 8 version provides the features for Java programming are like lambda expressions, method references, functional interfaces, stream API, default methods, base 64 encode decode, static methods in interface, optional class, collector class for each method, nation, JavaScript engine, parallel array sorting, type and repeating annotations, IO enhancement, that is input output enhancement, concurrency enhancement, then JDBC enhancement, etc. etc. So these are the features provided by the Java 8. Now let's discuss about the lambda expression. What actually this lambda expression is? The lambda expression helps us to write our code in functional style. It provides a clear and concise way to implement the SAM interface. Now, what is this SAM? This SAM is the single abstract method by using the expression. It is very useful in collection library in which it provides to iterate, filter and extract data. Now let's discuss about the method references. What these method references are? Java 8 method reference is used to refer the method of functional interface. It is compact and easy form of the lambda expression. Each time when we are using the lambda expression to just a referring method, we can replace our lambda expression with method reference. Now the functional interface. An interface that contains only one abstract method is known as the functional interface. This functional interface plays a very important role in the Java 8. It can have any number of default and static methods. It can also declare the methods of object class. The functional interfaces are also known as the single abstract interfaces, that is SAM interfaces, that is SAM interface. Now let's discuss about the default methods. This Java provides a facility to create the default methods inside the interface. The methods which are defined inside the interface and tagged with the default keyword are known as default methods. These methods are non-abstract methods and can have the method body. Next is the string joiner. The Java added the new final class string joiner in the java.util.package. It is used to construct the sequence of character separated by the delimiter. This is about the features of Java 8. That's it. Thank you.